Let's do a horn test. Power flow meter right here, and Honda sensors all around. So here we have the hybrid displays, and now the engine kicked in. It is very, very seamless. A panoramic sunroof. Hey guys, here we have a 2023 Honda CR-V, and it is the 2.0 RSE HEV ECVT. So this one is the top of the line hybrid, and this one is finished in Ignite Red Metallic. This is the back seat. The top of the line hybrid is only exclusive as a 5-seater, so it does have nice amount of space at the back and nice red stitching. Okay, so let's hop inside. The door sills extend all the way down, so you won't dirty your hands. So it has 3 keys.
Smart key card. And 2 duplicates for the key fob.
Okay, so it does have the lock, unlock, remote start, and trunk release. And it does have the key card where you can store it in your wallet. Tama? Wallet?
Correct.
So paano siya? Like you just have to tap it, or
No,
you just have to have it with you? Okay. Right, so that's the key. Let's turn it on right here. So initially it's supposed to start in battery mode only, but since we are running low on battery juice,
Correct.
The engine kicked in immediately. So yeah, typical hybrid, and it is fairly quiet. Turn on the air conditioning right here. Nice tactile feel. Everything is laid out nicely, and it has a display right there. Seatbelts on, and so now we are in EV mode as indicated in the gauge cluster, and we shall start. Electronic parking brake with brake hold. So now the engine is turned off and we are running on full battery power alone. And now the engine kicked in. It is very, very seamless. Unlike with some hybrids where you can really feel and hear the engine, this one is really smooth, and automatic LED headlights are turned on because we are now in a covered area. Driving position is also spot on. You can see the hood line is high, but this one has a 360-degree camera, which is turned on by this button right here. You can also select your various views. So this one has 3 driving modes, tama?
Correct. Sport, normal, and eco.
Yes, okay, sport, normal, and now we are in eco. There you go, normal. And sport, I believe, will keep the engine on, tama? I know it's still an EV.
No, it will.
It depends on
it depends on what power. Depends on how you press the gas pedal, and the response will be a lot quicker compared to normal or.
All right. Okay. So this one, being the top of the line, has all the bells and whistles, and I have just noticed it has a head-up display.
Head-up display plus
A panoramic sunroof,
fully automatic,
and a Bose sound system. Now the sunroof lets in a lot of light inside the cabin, but yeah, it's a nice addition. But the windows are fairly large, and the side mirror is placed here on the door rather than the pillar, which aids in more visibility in the A pillars. Right, so the 360-degree camera is also crisp and clear, so you can see every corner of the car. There's no excuse hitting a car with this CR-V. Let's do a horn test. It's still the same one as the mid variant.
Yes, correct.
So let us switch to eco mode, because I believe this will be the setting most drivers will use here in Metro Manila. considering the high gas prices as well. And now the engine just turned off again. Let's go to home. Yes, right. So this battery is paired with a 2.0 inline 4 naturally aspirated engine. There's a nice sound coming from the engine bay when it's in electric mode. Okay. Oh, there you go. So here we have the hybrid display. So right now it is showing that the battery is powering the wheels and the engine is turned off. But let's try to switch it in sport mode and let's see if... Okay, so it's still in battery mode, but once we get going, the engine will immediately kick in for that much more sportier and aggressive feel. So this one, the power flow mode display, is exclusive for the hybrid only because it is a hybrid and it shows the current state of the system. So this one has a full digital display. You can also view the power flow meter right here. And again, Honda sensing, sensors all around. You have your trip computer. You have your navigation shortcuts right here, and a driver attention level. So the car scans the driver, and if it detects that the driver is tired or sleepy, it will notify the driver. So we can also customize the display for this one. On the other side, you also have some apps because this unit comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So in sport mode, immediately the little throttle inputs, much responsive. Yes, it's much more responsive. There you go.
It removes the delay.
Yes, and the engine immediately kicks in to provide more power. Still got that classic Honda feel when you get with the power delivery. So I think we're gonna go. But once in, let's try the normal mode. So normal mode, now we are in EV. Being a hybrid, you would typically think that it's a little slower, it's a little sluggish, but not with the case of this 2023 HEV hybrid CRV. It's still responsive, the steering feedback is nice, very Honda. Fit and finish is also good. It has a leather steering wheel, and the RS gets red stitching on the seats. It also has these nice illumination mood lightings here to accentuate the features. Now this one, the top of the line, has this aluminum brushed finish. There you go. The mid variant, the all-wheel drive, gets a wood, and the base one gets a golf ball. Yeah, like the black
dimples.
Yes. And being a hybrid, since you don't need to charge the car, you just fuel up the car like a normal car. But earlier when we started the drive, we are in 2 bars, the battery. Now we are in 3. That is because the engine is also providing juice for the battery. So that's how the batteries are charged in these hybrid vehicles. The engine will provide the charge. It's like a generator, but at the same time it can also power the wheels for that instant torque and added power. Okay, thank you.
That's where we'll park.
Okay, so in front of us we have a 2003 CRV, the second generation, finished in habanero red, I think. And now we are in this red Ignite. Just shows how time has, you know, evolved with cars. Yeah, and the CRV has evolved with the times, and it is a nice package overall. The price might be steep, but I think you're getting a lot of vehicle and the quality is just nice.
No creaks.
No creaks, no rattles and whatnot, and everything just feels so solid. So we are now going to park, and I just turned on the signal light, and when you turn on the signal light, it will actually show you a blind spot view with the camera on the side mirror. Now let's go ahead and park the car. Let's turn on the 360-degree camera. And actually, back then, the CRV, before the diesel variants, the CRV always had a reputation of being a gas guzzler. And now the hybrid is here. It is set to change the game, because I believe this one has a fuel efficiency score of 29 kilometers per liter.
Correct.
Am I right? Yeah. Which is unheard for in previous CRVs.
Models, of course.
Yes. So you can see every detail, like here on the road, or if you're gonna hit the curbs. So now we are in EV. Let's turn off the car. The engine is actually turned off, but let's just turn off the car as a whole. So here it is. The power button is colored red when it's turned on, and to turn it off, just press it. And there you go. Very quiet. Nice Honda logo before we go. And yeah, oh, electronic parking brake. Right, that was a quick drive. So before I go down, you have a nice storage space right here with wireless charging, 2 cup holders right here with illumination, a little cubby, and a nice deep center console. You do have 2 memory seating function, an 8-way driver power adjustable seat, as well as the passenger. Oh, the passenger only has 4. And it does have nice details, like here you have a CRV logo, and nice, the aluminum trim continues on the door. So for the top of the line, you get body colored claddings all around and black rims. So there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share it to your friends as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.